Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on JASMY. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after testing the support of a down channel, the price of JASMY was gearing up, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame, and this was the channel that I was showing you in my previous videos, and we tested the support, and now the pricing is geared up. And now we are trying to break out this uptrend line resistance that was previously working as a very strong and long-term uptrend line support. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then here you can see that this support is coming from the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, and at the bounce here, and at the bounce here, and this time after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I was telling you that after the breakout, you can expect a very, very massive pump. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that the price of Jasmine has rallied almost 2,000%. Let me replace it once again. From here to here, it rallied more than 2,069%. It could not break out this long-term resistance on. That start from 5 cents, it goes to 6.1 cents. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for AST, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. By the way, I shared this trade setup in the last day of December on 31st of December, but this trade was not closed. Therefore, it is carried forwarded to the month of January 2025. And by the way, this was a bullish AB equal to CD move that AST formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone. First, it again dropped down, re-entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very nice reversal and the price and read the sell target zone here. Now, let's move to the live chart of Jasmy. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this channel. By the way, it was entered the channel here on 8th of December 2024. We got rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And now, again, it is after testing the support of the channel, gearing up and bouncing from the support. But now we also have this uptrend line resistance as well. First, we will need to break out this uptrend line resistance. And then we will need to break out another very long-term resistance of 2.7 cents. Then it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 3.1 cents. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance is coming from the month of October 2023, had several bounces, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And if we take a look at this upcoming resistance of 2.7 cents, then you can see that previously it had been working as a resistance here and resistance here, almost as a resistance here as well, support here. And now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that again, it can work as a very strong resistance. By the way, recently here, it was also working as a support here as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target will be again here at the top of the channel at 5 cents. By the way, from 5 to 6 cents, we have a very long-term resistance on. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance zone had been working as support down here. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance here. We got rejection here. And recently, the price and once again got rejected by this resistance zone. That starts from 5 cents and goes to 6.1 cents. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price end of JASMY. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.